Nobody's talking about how these faceless pages are landing brand deals with AI generated videos, and I think that's crazy because this is literally one of the easiest ways to grow on Instagram right now, and that too without showing your face, without a camera, without any of that. And the pages are doing this, are getting thousands of followers, and brands are reaching out to them because the content is just performing so well. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna show you exactly how these videos are being made from scratch. By the end of this, you will know how to start your own page to do the same thing and actually monetize it. So let's get into this. For this one, we're going to be using the Hailuo AI DAO video, the platform which helps us to generate, which has Seedance 2.0 and GPT Image 2 as well. So we are going to be using this platform to do everything. It has image generation, video models, everything is inside. So we don't need to go here and there and just generate images there and there, and then that's it. So basically we're going to be using this one, and so let's go without wasting any more time. Let's start generating. So now I'm going to leave a link in the description. You just if you want to try it out, just go to the link and you'll be on this one, on this page. And then after that, you just click on the images here on this side, and then we're going to be going with this. Just create a new project. In your case, you will have a default complete blank, so it will be look like this. Now first we have to make this. We're going to be starting creating the video which is about TV broadcasts couple, this one. So for this one we need this type of image first. How do we create that? We need a face, right? And we can even go with the two faces, or like we can go with any of the faces, or we can simply go ahead and create, use this prompt to create the image. So what I'm gonna do is, if you want to use your face, so go to the image and then click on the models here. You will see the GPT Image 2. That's what we need here for now. And then the resolution, the ratio will be 16:9. Well, in your case, you can just go with 9:16 if you're going to post it on the Instagram. But for the sake of the video, I'm gonna be going with the 16:9, and I'm gonna be keeping the quality as a medium, because just for the sake of the video, you can go with the high just because it's going to take a little bit of more time to generate an image. But for now, let's go with the medium, and resolution will be 1K. So I'm going to be pasting the prompt. I've just got the prompt. Now we need a face. We can either go with the two faces, the girl and the boy, depending on you. If you have a girlfriend or something, you can just do that. But yeah, so I'm going to be using my face, and another one I'm going to use this girl's face. So this one is a wrong one. I'm going to go with that one. Okay, I have now two faces. Okay, so then I have the prompt as well. I'm gonna be selecting two images I'm gonna generate. Okay, and then I'm gonna start generating the image. So let me just hit generate, and it is going to start generating, and this will give you the image like this. And once we have this image, we're gonna be turning this image into the video using this prompt. So let's wait for this image to finish. Okay, so now we have just got two images, as you can see here. Let's click on this one. Okay, looks crazy good. Perfect. Look at the detail. I mean, it's looking good. So let's go with the second one, which is that one. Looks good, but it's just a bit close, but I'm gonna use the first one. All right, so now we have to go to the video to generate this video now using this image. So click on the video, and then here you have to select the model, which is gonna be the Seedance 2. Click on it, and then we're gonna be using the Omni reference, and the resolution will be 16:9 since I'm doing it for the video. You can go with a 9:16 or anything. And for the resolution, the ratio was 16:9. The resolution will be 720p. You can go with 1080p, but it's going to take a little bit of more time. So for the duration, I'm going to go with the 15 seconds, or let's do 10 seconds because it's going to take a little bit of time. So yeah, you can go with 15 depending on you. So now we need a reference image. So I'm going to be creating using this image. So click on, just hover on this one. If you have an image, you can simply download the image and upload it here, but since it's already inside the system, so I'm going to click on assets, and I'm going to be selecting this image. Okay, perfect, cool. Click on confirm, and then I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to just give you the link where you can just get every single prompt for this one. So the prompt is going to be this. completely copy this, paste this here. Yeah, it has directions of what to do. So let's go ahead and generate. I'm gonna generate two videos. Okay, hit generate. Perfect. So it's gonna take a little bit of while, like 2 minutes, maybe like less than a minute as well. So once it's done, I'll get back to you. Okay, and after that we're gonna be creating this video. We're gonna be creating this base prompt, or this one, the car type of video, or we can simply go ahead and create this speed ramp type of video. Let's see if it really turns out good. Okay, let's see that. So let's wait. Okay, so now we just got the first video and the second is already being generated, so let's wait for that one as well until we'll just see this video. Alright, this is looking good. This is really looking good. Alright, let's play this one as well. Oh my god. That is really cute. Look at that. I mean, if you're gonna just make a video on this one and using a different girl, then your girlfriend is gonna be like so mad at you. Who's that? Anyways, so that's how you just create this video, and you can just upload this video on Instagram and in the form of a reel format or something, and then that's how you get the brand deals of this one. So let me just go ahead and recreate another one, which is going to be the speed ramp. This one, let's see how we can create this one. So for this one, we also need a image of of your face, and then we can keep this prompt. But for now, I'm gonna just go with the red car. Okay, red car. So I'm gonna just copy this prompt entirely and then go back here and click on image, paste the prompt here directly, and then I'm gonna be selecting my face. Okay, I think yeah, let's go with this one. And then for the car, if you have a car image, you can do that, but I'm just gonna leave it as it is for the video, for the prompt. So I'm gonna select the ratio, the quality will be the medium, and the media, the resolution is going to be the 1K GPT Image 2. That's what I'm going to use it for, and click on generate, and then this is going to give you the image like this, and then we're going to be using this image and turn this into that video that I just already showed you. Okay, so we already have the image. Now let's wait for this image to generate. Okay, so we got the first image, which is this one, and check this out. Okay, this kind of messed up my face. Might be because of the maybe it depends. Sometimes it happens, so it's not an issue. The point is we have the image now. Let's see the other image as well. Okay, that's still generating. So now we need a prompt for this one. Until it's just being generated, I'm gonna just copy the prompt. So this is the prompt, and then this is going to be completely copy. Okay, and go back here, and then we're going to be just going to the video. All right, we can either use this image or this image, but first let's set up the things till then. So we're going to be selecting the Seedance 2.0. This will be the Omni reference. 16:9, 10 seconds I'm gonna be generating the video for. And for the reference, first let me just check the image. Either we can go with this image, or this one looks like me exactly, and this does not. So I think I'm gonna go with this one, but kind of the height is like I don't know. It's maybe because of the camera angle is from the below, or maybe I have like a baggy clothes having, so maybe that's why the height is looking a bit off. This one is fine, but I'm gonna go with this image, or let's go with this one because I don't care about what the face is generating. Anyways, let me just paste the prompt. I have the prompt. Perfect. Now let's use this image. So click on assets, and the first image gonna be this one, and confirm, and we're gonna be generating two videos. Hit generate. Okay then, so the videos are being generated, so let's see the first one. So the video looks perfect, looks crazy good, and the only problem with the video is like the speed ramp. It's not happening. So I don't know what happened, but looks like maybe there's a prompt issue, or maybe the model as of now is not generating the right video. So I might have to try again. But yeah, that's a prompt. You can generate the video like that. And let's check the another one. Maybe that one is finished. So this is how you can generate these type of videos and grow on Instagram. If you keep on posting these videos regularly, like one video a day, I can give you the library where you can just get all the viral video prompts and everything, how you can make these type of videos using any, it doesn't have to be this platform or any other platform. You can even go with any other platform which has GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0, and you can get started. The main idea here is to get the brand deals. Once you start posting this content and everybody is like loving this content, it's going crazy over in the reels and everything. So yeah, I think let's go and just get some brand deals. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you do, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and that will mean a lot to me. And yes, if you feel like any problems in the prompts or in not getting the resources, please definitely comment. And if you want to just connect with me, I'm just leaving a link in the description as well, where you can join the community. I have started my community as a WAP community, where you can just simply join, ask questions, and we can kind of discuss over there. And yeah, so that's it for the video. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.